What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to get your Mazda 3 open if your key fob dies or if the battery in your Mazda 3 dies. I'm going to be doing it on a 2021 Mazda 3 here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So the first thing we need to do is take a look at our fob, and we need to get the emergency key out of it. How we're going to do that is if we press this release on the bottom, press that release, and then the back will slide off like that. And once we get the back off, we see our emergency key here, and we'll pull it out. And where we're going to use this is on the driver's door. If we pull the driver's door handle out, we can see that key cylinder right in there. So what we're going to do is, while holding that door handle out, put the key in that slot, and we're going to turn it clockwise or to the right to unlock it. And once you get unlocked, go ahead and pull that out. The door's open. If you have a dead key fob and you need to know how to start your vehicle as well, I'll put a link to that video in the description box of this video. If you have any other questions, let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.